There's a certain magic that happens when families get together in pursuit of fun. Every time a pair of old friends share a belly laugh, it's the kind of magic we could all use a little more of in everyday life. But this is a few hundred nautical miles from everyday life. This is the all-new Carnival Magic, and here, magic is part of the plan. It starts the minute you stroll into Carnival Magic's atrium for the first time. Take a look around. This place is totally designed to make you say, whoa. Hey, we could stay here all day, but we have more fun stuff to see. So come on, let's lace up those flip-flops and head out to the Ocean Plaza. Wait, flip-flops don't have laces. Anyway, we built Carnival Magic's Ocean Plaza to blur the line between indoor and outdoor. Just take a look at this amazing space. There's the Fun Hub Internet Cafe, even a dance floor, and fun stuff going on here all day and night. But are we inside or are we outside? Who can tell? Speaking of outside, make a splash at our amazing waterworks or play around at our always active sports square. Go ahead, enjoy the great view, wave to a dolphin, and then make your way toward another great place to hang outside, the Tides Pool. You know, we realized that nothing says fun like meet me poolside, so we reimagined Carnival Magic's resort-style pool to be more fun than ever, with the big screen of Carnival's Seaside Theater, shady thatched roofs, and a bar with blenders at the ready. Of course, if you're feeling like taking a little adventure with just the grown-ups, you could always drop the kids and teens off at our award-winning youth programs, Camp Carnival, Circle C, and Club O2. Then head to the promenade, grab a bite of sushi for the road, and take a nice, casual stroll to our all-new spa. It has separate areas for working out and chilling out, and how perfect is that? Or head outside to Serenity, our adult-only retreat, just the place for me time or we time, anytime. And speaking of we time, let's grab a few friends. There's a great place to hang out a few decks over. After all, we knew our guests needed a fun, casual spot to relive the day, so we created the Red Frog Pub, a perfect place to sip a drink, grab a bite to eat, catch some great live music, and tell a few stories. And if those stories have a few embellishments, well, your secret's safe with us. But we didn't stop there. We rethought every dining area on the ship, making our main dining room even more posh, our Lido dining area more welcoming than ever, and our steakhouse even more cozy, which is when a really big idea hit us. Our guests love their friends, love their families, so why not make our new Italian restaurant family style? Of course! And that's why Carnival Magic boasts Cucina del Capitano, a place to eat, laugh, and just enjoy each other's company. Bellissimo! By now, it's time to... Wait, we almost forgot. Go back to the Red Frog Pub. We almost forgot Thirsty Frog Red. It's our own custom beer, specially brewed for Carnival. How cool is that? Anyway, like we were saying, by now it's time to head out for the night, and on Carnival Magic, great nightlife is definitely part of the blueprint. We designed a classy new lounge, a more fun-than-ever casino, and a main theater that's perfectly calibrated to make you stand up and cheer. We even added a chic dance club with swanky lounge areas and an outdoor section that looks out over the ocean. So when you finally need a little break from the dance fever, you can always step outside, look up at the stars, and just have a moment. Because in the end, Carnival Magic is designed to make great vacation moments happen. The moments that always pop up when you get together with good friends and close family. When you look around, see the easy smile on everyone's face, and realize that this is magic. And on Carnival Magic, that was the plan all along.